Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what's the best tips to progress fast in Jujutsu Kaisen Incremental, and this is going to be a beginner guide. So you just have to go first on your search websites and search for codes for Jujutsu Kaisen Incremental. So once you have the codes, you'll just have to copy and paste it here and redeem. Okay. So after redeeming those codes, you'll get a lot of rerolls, and you'll just have to go to the train tab and just start using your rerolls here in order for you to get um rare items here. So you just have to pull some legendary. So for me, I'm gonna have to use. So once you're able to get better pulls here in rerolls, you just have to play the game in order for you to gain a lot of XP, and you just have to manage here your stats here and just play the game. You can either do it manually or you can have it AFK. That's it for the beginner guide in order for you to progress fast in Jujutsu Kaisen Incremental.